Hi, yoga buddies. Before we begin today's relaxing yoga journey, don't forget to tap the like button and hit subscribe so you can join all our mindful adventures together. We've got some gentle movements and calming poses waiting for you. Ready? Let's take a deep breath and begin. Sit cross-legged with a straight spine. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. On hands and knees, round your back toward the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. Feel your spine stretch gently. From cow pose, drop your belly down. Lift your chest and gaze upward. Keep your arms straight and shoulders relaxed. Stand tall with feet together, arms by your sides. Lift your chest, relax your shoulders, and feel grounded like a mountain. Stand on one leg. Place the sole of the other foot on your inner thigh or calf. Avoid the knee. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Focus your gaze and breathe steadily. Sit down, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outward. Hold your feet with your hands and keep your back straight. Lie on your stomach, place your palms under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest. Keep elbows close to your body and gaze forward softly. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, pressing through your heels. Keep shoulders relaxed. Sit with legs extended, bend one knee and cross it over the other. Twist gently toward the bent knee, placing your hand behind you for support. Lie on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees open outward. Rest your hands on your abdomen, eyes closed. Lie on your back and extend your legs up toward the ceiling or against a wall. Keep arms relaxed by your sides. Lie flat on your back, arms beside your body, palms up. Close your eyes and let your whole body relax completely. Wonderful yoga buddies, you've done an amazing job. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember that calm lives within you. You just need to return to it. Take one last deep breath. Smile. If you enjoyed this practice, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can join our next relaxing yoga adventure. Share this video with a friend who could use a little calm today. And I'll see you in the next session. Namaste.